Another thing that comes to mind when we talk about families who are dealing with understanding ADHD and a diagnosis of ADHD, at least in our clinic, we speak heavily about the genetic tendencies or how ADHD is transmitted genetically. It has two advantages. One, that it immediately destigmatizes some of the difficulties. A lot of times, parents themselves are struggling with adult ADD symptoms like their own kind of procrastination, taxes not being filed on time, or credit card bills being delayed, or phone bills not being paid on time. So when that connection is made, that all right, I'm a very responsible father, but despite all my awareness, my maturity, there are some aspects of my life that are still unexplainable, right? And falls in line with the ADD tendency, then it is easier for that parent to have empathy for this child who is constantly forgetting to submit his homework or her homework, even though the homework is completed. Otherwise, there is a lot of frustration as to why are you not doing what you need to be doing. Now, ADHD is about 70 to 80% genetic. At the same time, I think what is more important than the genetics is that it creates a sense of safety in the home environment. There are other family members who will also have milder tendencies towards ADHD, especially the sibling, and at least one of the parents. And we routinely discuss this in our first and second meetings, so that there is a sense of ease and there is less fear about what's going to happen in the long run, because we have evidence of one person doing fairly okay in most areas and maybe not okay in certain areas, and this also reassures the child of this is how it might look like. For some parents, this is an aha moment. I've had a lot of parents sitting in the back of the room as I'm talking to the child, like their life sort of whizzing past in front of their eyes and saying, oh, wait, so that's why I did that. Oh, that's why I always do this. And sometimes almost distracting from the meeting that I'm having with a child because they are putting it together. And when that happens, it's very beautiful because, when they leave, sometimes they'll be holding the child and almost not even needing me, because they're like, they give off the vibe that I pick up is that I got this. I might not have mastered it, but I know what we are dealing with and we are going to be just fine.